Well, now here's a thing. What you're looking at is a switch come door lock out of a washing machine, and it met with a misfortune caused by an impatient person and a screwdriver, and yeah, it all ended in tears. And someone said to me, "Can you mend my washing machine?" So I said, yeah. You know how you do. You never really think about these things, do you? Yeah, of course I can mend your washing machine. So I got it open and I took this switch out. And I said, right, you're going to need a new one of them because it's broken. And if you look, the screwdriver wielding person managed to break a piece off the jobby thing that holds the door shut. So must be able to get them. The washing machine is only 4 years old, if that. So the washing machine owner went on the internet and found a company that supplies these switches. It also needed a new door handle, they supply those. So they said, yes, we will send you the replacement parts. The replacement parts came, the door handle was the right one, the door lock switch wasn't. A telephone call to the people. Yes, no, we can't get you the right one. Check around the internet, several other suppliers who can get anything at all for anything, and they all said, no, can't get them. So, bit of a problem. Being the sort of chap I am, I thought I know what I'll do. And I should have videoed where I've been today because I went and bought some glue. I'll show you this glue. Now I knew where to go and get that because I drive past on a regular basis a radio controlled model car shop. I've never been in there before. And I went in there today and I said, have you got some of that fantastic glue? And they said, oh yes. And then they gave me a 25-minute lecture on how to use this stuff and how not to use it. Gluing your fingers together and such like. So they use it for gluing tyres on their race cars. Apparently it is the absolute bee's knees, this stuff. I've used similar before, but before I do anything I've got to get that switch apart, because if this glue gets into the switch it will just glue it together permanently. So there we are, that's my little task. I've just heard that the kettle has finished boiling, so it's going to be a little while before I attack this switch. We'll see how we get on.